Triangle ABC has angles of 35 degrees, 47 degrees, and 47 degrees. Okay, that's your this is the problem. Okay, and then there's a question that you have to find. Okay, find the measure of the third side. Okay, oh, third angle. Okay, so here, suppose you have this figure. Okay, and then this is A. This is your A, and then this is your B and C. Okay, suppose this is A equal to 35 degrees, and then your B is supposed to be 47, and then this is your X. Okay, so X means unknown. Okay, so when you write it, it's angle A plus angle B. This is the formal solution. Okay, so it's equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is 35 degrees plus angle B is 47 degrees plus angle C equal to 180. So all you have to do is to add this two, right? So what is the sum of these two? Ano yung sum niya? Yes, Tuason.
82 po.
Okay, so you have here 82. Okay, 82 degrees plus angle C. Again, this is the formal and complete solution. Next one, this one is to be transposed to the other side together with your 180. This will be changed to the letter representation, which is x equal to 180. From positive 82, it will become negative 82. What's the answer then? Okay, your classmate says it's 98 degrees. So suppose that is correct. Can you check?
Yes, correct
All
po.
right. So therefore, the third angle is 98 degrees. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay? This is formal solution. However, in your exam, it's like this. Okay, again, exam, it's like this. 180, okay, walang degrees, so tuloy-tuloy lang. 180 minus 35 minus 47, tapos equal ka na. Tapos 98. This is your solution lang. Okay? Solution mo lang to on your exam. Dapat makikita ko to. This one should be reflected on the exam. Why? Because the items are 3 points each. Yes, Mabin, what's the question?
Miss, are we gonna have to type that?
Yes,
Uh,
because there's a mathematical equivalence for that one. Any any more question? Wala na. Okay, sige. Before we proceed, your exam is or your test is this one. Part 1. Okay, it is divided into sections. Okay, part 1 is multiple choice. Okay, I think this is 25 items. Okay, so the 25 items are basically the definition. Okay, definition of terms as well as the application of statements. Okay, lagay ko lang siya para meron kayong reference. Definition of terms. Okay, and then application of statements. Okay. When I say application of statement, it's the same as suppose we have this example. Um, um, Sabihin nating triangle has 3 sides. Okay? Yan yung statement mo. Triangle has 3 sides. Okay? Tas there's a question is, what is, okay, question, this is your question, sample question. What is the conditional statement of the given statement? Okay? So that's the question. All you have to do is to locate the proper one. If, the if, conditional, if then. Okay? So if the figure is triangle, then it has 3 sides. Yun lang. Ito lang yung answer niyan. Okay? Sige. Question with this type of question sa exam, wala ba? Sige. Yes, what's the question?
So Miss, there will, you will give us a statement like the triangle has 3 sides. Then after that, you'll give us the question, what is the conditional statement of the given statement?
Yeah.
Okay. So the thing that you have to turn into a conditional statement is already given.
Which one? The primary, this one. The initial statement is given,
Okay.
and then it depends on the question if you're going to conditional, bicon, and then if reverse, it's something like that, and so
Okay,
on.
Miss. Thanks.
Yep.
Thanks.
Anything more? Wala na? Okay, that's part 1. Okay. And then what else do we have? Okay, so this includes as well the triangles, okay? Types, and then ano pa ba? Types and parts. Yun lang yun. And then this also includes the mathematical system. Mathematical. You will not write a conditional statement anymore. And then part 2, I think there is a fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Basically,
By the
definition.
way, Miss,
Yeah.
you said we're gonna do it ray gun, right?
Yeah,
Are you gonna turn on power ups?
I did.
Why?
Why? Don't question that one. Why do you need it though?
No, I thought you said you did.
I did.
Okay. So Miss, how will we go back to our previous question?
There's no chance.
Wow.
Miss, walang redemption question, Miss.
Wala.
Lo,
Believe me, it's easy. The exam is easy. Hindi ko na kayo papahirapan dyan. Kayo naman. Masyado kayong kinakabahan. It's easy. There's no redemption question. And then, I think I will require you to open your mic. Yeah, during the exam. Please make sure that you are on a place wherein hindi maingay. Okay? Kasi wala na, may report na talaga about dyan. Sa mga merong nakausap during the exam. Yung iba nga sa inyo, naka-off yung mic. Tapos meron nakasuksok na sa tenga nila. Pero laptop naman gamit. Tapos hawak yung phone. Ay, naku, wag naman. Okay, part 3 is solving. Okay, I think this is 6 items and then this is 10 items to be exact. And then this is 25 items, I think. Ilan na yun? 35 na siya. So the remaining here is 15 points. Kung 15 points, 15 points sila. Tag ilan ba sila nun? Basta yan po yun. 150, yeah. Okay, solving is just this one. Wala kang ililigaw dyan. Again, do not write the formal solution, ha? Just write it this way. Okay, this way lang po tayo. Let's have another example for that. Can I have Justine? Justine, let's have Justine for the next example. Asan si Justine? Totoo. Yun na yung pag-recitation na yun. Wala na yung mga mic nila. Mhm. Right. Okay. Say we have 72 degrees and then we have 24 degrees. What is this? Okay. Let's have Manong Song. Okay, let's do a formal solution first. Formal. Angle A plus angle B equals angle C. No. Mali. Gagawin ko siyang ganito. This is the same, ha. 180 degrees minus, okay, angle A plus angle B, close parenthesis, equal to angle C. That's the manipulation of the formula. Okay, Bon, proceed.
Okay, so we proceed with the with the parenthesis first.
180.
So 72 plus 24,
24 degrees
yes,
equal to
equals-
y. Okay. Ano na?
Ay, sasagutan ko din ba? Oh my God.
Ay, bakit?
I thought, wait. Where is it, miss?
Siyempre.
180,
The one inside the
Wait.
parenthesis first. This
Yeah,
one
what?
first.
72 plus 72 plus 24, 96. So 96, no, 180 minus, tama, right? 180 minus 96 is 84. So
Sure ka?
180 minus 96, yes, 84.
Answer
ba?
is
Is it right? So my answer is 84. So the y is equal to 84.
y is equal to 84 degrees. Okay. Sige.
Mali. Oh my God.
Ano? Ganun lang. Okay. I think we don't have questions with this because it's just addition and subtraction part. Okay. Next one. There's this type of problem as well. Example 3. Suppose the triangle has 35 meters and 35 meters side lengths. Okay. Thank you, Bon. That's correct. Anong una sa length? H or T? Yan. Side lengths. What type? Okay. What type of triangle is this? Okay, that's the question. So we have something like this. I think Alfonso wants to answer.
Isosceles.
Okay, it is an isosceles. Okay. Your answer is the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, because of this. Okay, you know exactly that isosceles has two equal sides. Okay, that's your clue there. So I think this is included on the multiple choice thing. So yun lang. Okay. Meron ganyan sa multiple choice. Basta hmm, you have to know the difference between the types. Okay. Another example for that type. Okay. So ito lang. Triangle sides has 105 degrees and 35 degrees. What type of triangle? Answer. Yes, Marvin.
It is a scalene triangle.
Is it a scalene?
Scalene.
Why do you say so?
Because there's no congruent signs, but I think it could also be obtuse.
Which one is correct then?
Ah, uh, let me just
Which
go
one?
ahead and say obtuse.
Oh, what's your clue? What's your clue?
Well, because one of the angles is higher than 90.
Yeah, exactly. So this is your clue then. It cannot be, what's the answer before scalene?
Scalene.
Yeah, it cannot be like that because we're not talking about the side lengths. There's no length here, side
Mhm.
lengths. We're talking about the degree here. It means I'm talking about the angle here. Okay, if we're talking about the angle, that falls under obtuse, acute. What's the other
Right.
one? It's right. Yeah. Okay, so this is basically for the angles. Okay, for the sides, you have the isosceles, the
Lateral.
equilateral, and
Scalene.
then yep. Okay, this is for the side. Remember that, ha? Do not get confused about the problem. If we're talking about the meters here, the unit for the length, automatic we're referring to the sides. So you only have three choices. Okay, when we're talking about angle, another three choices: acute, obtuse, and right. Okay, so this one is the triangle is an obtuse
Angle.
triangle. Triangle.
Or we could word it so that the angles of the triangle are obtuse.
No, you can't.
Okay.
Why? Because there's the presence of acute here. Okay. What else? Uh-huh. Okay. Another one. There is, I told you about the fill in the blanks. It's like this. The line. Okay lang naman. The line that is composed. That is okay, composed of a line segment and an endpoint is blank. Yan. Mga ganito lang. Okay? Your fill in the blanks are like this. Okay, the line that is composed of a line segment and an endpoint is what is the answer? What's the answer? Line and endpoint. Yes, Alfonso.
Collinear.
Point, Miss?
Ano daw? Endpoint and then line segment. It is a yes, Yangs. It's array. Okay, this is not this is an informal definition of the ray, but it's like this. Okay, the definitions are like this type. Okay, there are also there are also examples or problems wherein the one that you need to supply is in the middle. Okay, example, triangle is a solid figure that has blank sides, vertices, and angles. See, it's in the middle. What's your answer?
Miss,
It
I have the
is Mabin, what's the answer?
3.
3. Do not write
Okay.
3 as a number. 3 as a word. Okay? 3 as a word, not a number.
Miss, you can
Okay?
put that as a typing option in Wayground.
No, it should be a word.
No, like you have to type it in Wayground.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, fill in the blanks.
Also,
Yeah.
is calculator
Hindi
allowed?
siya drop down. What's that?
Is calculator allowed?
Are you gonna use calculator for simple problem? The sum is only 180. Why do you need calculator?
I thought we'd have to do multiplication.
No, no,
Exponents?
no. You know it's easy. One of the easiest exam I made.
Understood, miss.
Parang hindi kayo naniniwala dun.
No, miss.
Okay.
Review.
Any questions with this? Ayan, basically this is just the part. The part. Do you need this one? Ang pangit naman ng lecture natin. Mamaya ko na lang siya isi-send. Kapag ayusin ko na lang yung mga examples when I discuss it with the girls. What else? No question na. Wala na. Sure kayo. I think the part ano yon, Marvin? What's that? Wala nang question? Are you sure? What else? Any confusion? Wala na? Chance nyo na 'to kasi I will not be answering questions during the exam.
Miss, what's the coverage again po?
What's that?
Coverage.
I think I sent that one on the Google Classroom together with the ano.
You're not gonna add conditional statements?
No, the
No,
conditional
like the types of conditions
No.
like inverse, converse.
I think they are included in the multiple choice only. Multiple choice only. And then there's another one. Since we're talking about mathematical system, okay, I think I include something like this, the mathematical system. Yeah. Mathematical system, okay. You should know the difference between a prime number, okay, prime number, natural number. And then this is rational number. Then a whole number. Okay, whole number. Okay. See the difference between this one? Prime. Give me a prime number. Give me a prime number. What's your clue here when you say prime? Yes, Tuason.
Miss, I accidentally, ano po, raise my hand. I was supposed to open settings. Wait lang po.
Oh, sige. Okay, so
Yes.
yes, Marvin.
Yeah, if I remember, it's been a while. If it's factors or like only one in itself,
Yeah, one and itself.
yeah, prime
Okay,
numbers
so
are always hard for me to grasp. Like they're hard to find because you also have composite to consider.
wait lang. Replyan ko lang si Miss Mia.
Okay po.
Good morning po. Wali pa. The quarter is here with me. With me pa. Na-shock si Miss Mia kasi wala pa akong sinend. All right. What's that again? Sorry. Okay, this is the factors are one and itself. Okay? One and itself only. Kapag binigyan mo siya ng example, pwede mo sabihing 1, 3, 5, 7, ano pa? 9 cannot be 11. Yep, thank you. That's correct. 17. 21, 23 is 27, 24, 25. I think 29 is, tama. Is 29 prime? Divided by 2, divided by 3. Hindi siya pwede. Yeah, and so on. Okay, those are prime. So, kapag dinivide mo sila, 1 divided by 1 pa rin sagot. 3 divided by 1 or whatsoever. So, there's no other factors aside from the number and itself. Okay? Anong 2? Oh, yeah. 2. Oh, 2 divided by 2 is 1. It's not prime. Meron siyang other factors. Next, natural numbers. Natural numbers are basically positive numbers. Okay? Natural. Pag sinabing natural, ibig sabihin, ano tayo dyan? Any addition with the natural numbers? Low?
Di po.
2.
Sorry, yeah, what? Natural numbers, you're just positive?
They're just, no. natural numbers, parang counting na, oh, if I'm gonna use the term, counting numbers, positive numbers, and then counting numbers. Oh, alam niyo na yan. 1, 2, 3, so on.
Oh, so like sets.
Yes, basically that one.
We had that last year, po. Last school year.
It,
That was hard.
okay, when you say natural number, okay, counting numbers, and then there's a reminder here when you say natural numbers, 0 is not included. Okay, not included. Okay, what is the difference between this one and the whole number? Whole number includes 0. Okay, include 0. So that's the basic difference between the two. So this one starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, while natural numbers starts from 1, 2, and 3. So basically, your whole number or the natural numbers is under, again, under the whole numbers. Okay? What else? Oh, ratio. Ratio. Okay, ratio. It means divide. Okay, so these are basically fraction. Okay, repeating numbers. Repeating numbers.
Miss, how we put repeating numbers?
Paano mo anong yung paano yung repeating numbers?
Yeah, no, because like in the test we can't put an underline on the top.
Just write the numbers like 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, like that only.
But until 3 digits lang for the decimal.
Yes, that's a formal one for 3 digits only.
Wait, so for what I'm getting is what are we gonna do for the mathematical system part? Like, is it just typing?
I think I mentioned it's included on multiple choice.
Oh, it's okay. My bad,
Yeah.
miss. Just clarifying.
You don't type it. It's just under multiple choice.
So none of this is gonna be on the fill in the blank.
Wala. Gusto mo?
No. Questions.
Basta there are a lot of these things. Okay, a lot of these things. Parang you will be differentiating the prime, natural, rational, and then whole number. Parang ganun lang. Oopsie. What else? Question. Okay, another one. Another question here. Para naglagay ako ng ganito. Ilan? Suppose that ranges from 30 degrees, 32 degrees, 34 degrees. That. What is the next temperature? I think I added something like this. Oh, Tuasan.
I think it's 36 degrees po.
Okay. So how did you get 36?
Sequencing po.
Yeah, okay. So this is under sequence naman. Sequence, okay, which falls under mathematical system as well. Okay, meron silang
Miss,
ganyan.
with the sequence, count as a natural number.
Well, there are cases where, in example, the temperature that temperature, parang it goes down. So, sabihin na natin meron kang -2, negative something like that. But still a sequence. But uses negative numbers. Ayan na. Question? Olay? Okay.
Miss, could you repeat that one more time?
Alin?
The sequence, like the cases.
Okay. Just look at the pattern when it comes to sequence. Look at the pattern.
The pattern is okay.
Just the pattern. So there are series of number, and then all you have to do is to identify the pattern between the numbers. With here, it's +2, +2. So definitely the next one is +2. So 34 plus 2, it's 36. Okay, what's your pattern? It's addition of 2.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just addition. You know. What else? No more? No more question na. Sure kayo? O baka maging ano ang ating exam. Pero I believe you will pass because it's pretty easy. Parang walang gusto maniwala sa akin, no? Wala na? Okay. So let's meet later for the reminders for the quarter exam. And then I'm reminding those who still has pending balance on the accounts, please, if you can, please settle OXI. And then what else? Wala na. Okay, I'll see you later during the homeroom siguro.
Goodbye, Miss.
Yeah, bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye, miss.
Goodbye, miss.
Bye.